Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. We are here today to take a look at this Jay Flight 28 RLS. This is an awesome rear living floor plan that is perfect for a couple who may have some family that they want to travel with. There is sleeping space for up to 6 people in this RV. So let's go check it out together. Hold on one moment. Let me turn you around here.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Alright, so this is a Jayco Jay Flight. You've got two 30-pound LP tanks. This is one of the differences between the Jay Flight and the Jay Flight SLX. So you have the two 30-pound LP tanks with the LP tank cover and a diamond plate rock guard that's going to prevent chipping or scratches from road debris when you're traveling. You have a powered tongue jack already installed that has an LED light, and then you also have solar prep. It's already wired for solar. So you've got uninterrupted pass-through storage here on this Jay Flight, leads to the underneath the bed. You have a power awning with LED lighting and built-in outside speakers. You've got a place to mount a TV outside, as well as a place to hook up your satellite or your cable. Aluminum sport style rims with Goodyear tires and never adjust easy lube Dexter axles. These are nitrogen filled, so they're going to be quieter and you're not going to experience as many air fluctuations going down the road. You've got the thermal package on this RV, which I'll put a little graphic on the screen to explain a little bit more about that. This is going to keep you warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. There is an extra large grab handle right here by the entrance door that's really nice. It'll help you enter this RV. You have a 50 amp service on this RV, meaning that you're going to be able to handle a higher load in this RV running different electronics at the same time. It has a roof ladder already installed and a spare tire with a cover. It is pre-wired and prepped for the Furrion backup camera system. Your outside shower is here, right near your city water connection, so that you can spray off your kids, spray off your dogs, wash dishes, anything like that. Plenty away from the rest of the awning area, so you don't have to worry about puddles or anything like that. You can see that the dry weight of this RV is right around 6,800 pounds, so this is going to be half-ton towable for you. Alright guys, so let's head inside and we will check out some of the other amenities in this RV. You're going to notice that a lot of the furniture has underlighting accent, and then the slide out fascia is hardwood. This is the chocolate maple cabinetry from Jayco. This is just the perfect RV for a couple or someone with a couple of children that don't want to do bunk beds. This couch is a hide-a-bed, so you can sleep people here, you can sleep people on the table, so that brings your sleeping count up to 6. It has a very large rear window with windows on each side. It does have the pleated blackout shades, so you can close those off and keep the temperature down in here, but you can also open all these windows and have a wonderful cross breeze, and your emergency exit is back here as well, so nice and safe. Okay, so here we have our dinette, and this does break down to make a bed. You also have storage space underneath the dinette that is accessible by a cabinet door, so you don't have to worry about people sitting there and you have to ask them to get up so you can get underneath the seat. This table is actually completely removable. You can take this outside if you need to. In the entertainment center here, we already have a Furrion flat screen TV installed, and then of course your IRV Technologies Bluetooth stereo system, and you can control inside and outside with that as well. Storage. You've got a pantry right here in your kitchen. Lots of pantry space. We have an extra large nor cold refrigerator. And then we have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And then a digital microwave as well, just like home. You have your hardwood cabinet fronts. And all of this cabinetry is screwed and glued. This RV is equipped with the high output water heater, so you can combine the electric and the gas and get 17.8 gallons of hot water per hour. So that's so nice when you're here and you have several people with you and you need showers. This is a residential style sink. It's a double basin sink. You have a drying rack on one side and a cutting board on the other. Please ignore the antifreeze. It is winter here in West Virginia. I'm sorry, Kentucky. We are on the West Virginia, Kentucky, and Ohio border. You have a residential style spray hose there on your faucet. Lots of drawer space, storage beneath there. This is your Congolian flooring that will protect against cold cracking, and it's easy to clean and won't stain for you. Let's turn around this way. You can see that big nice rear window with those rockers back there. Here is the bathroom right here in the hallway. You have a marine grade foot pedal flush toilet, nice sink with countertop space, vanity, and then of course you have storage underneath the sink here. Place to put your dish towel, or your hand towel, I'm sorry, and then a place to hang other towels as well. And this is a big medicine cabinet. You have lots of lighting in here. There is a skylight, a domed skylight over the shower, and then you have a 12-volt fan in the bathroom as well. And this is a nice big radial shower, so you're going to have lots of space in there, and you have solid glass doors in there. And then we'll head on into the bedroom. Nice residential Simmons sleep system in here. Storage on both sides of the bed and over top of the bed as well. You've got USB outlets and regular power outlets as well on both sides of the bed. And then you have a place to, you can bring your outside TV in and just stick it on the wall there and use it for multiple purposes. And then each side of the bed, this side has the hanging bar, and then the other side of the bed has shelving. And there is tons of storage underneath the bed, about a pickup truck's worth of space. And since this RV does have 50 amp service, it is prepped for the second AC, so you can have that added. Alright guys, so I really appreciate you watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will get back with you right away. You can call or text message us at 606-928-6795. Again, I'm Jess at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. We are located at 6611 US Route 60, Ashland, Kentucky. We are owned and operated by the same local family since 1976, and we're very proud of that here at Summit RV. We would love to have you as a member of the Summit RV family. So like I said, just give us a call. We would love to help you with any questions that you may have. You can also send us an email to sales@summitrv.com.
RV camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.